Good morning everyone, my name is Arslan and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So today we'll be starting the exercise, that is exercise 7.4. So without any further delay, let's start, and I hope that you have revised the previous concepts related to fractions, related to cross multiplication, types of fractions, and how do we make equivalent fractions and simplest form, along with the comparison of fractions. There were three methods and each one have been discussed in detail. So question number one, we'll start with question number one of exercise 7.4. Write shaded portion as fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using the correct sign between them. So let me just check if everything is okay, because sometimes the laptop hangs. So yeah, everything is okay. So I'll just start writing the fraction. We have done the method, or we have done the step-by-step procedure in our first three lectures, that how do we write the fractions for shaded regions. So by now you must be proficient in that, so I'll just write the fraction directly. Okay, so this will be 1 2 3 4 5 5 and 3 8. This will be 3 upon 8. Next will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and 8, so this will be 6 upon 8. Then 1 2 3 4, this will be 4 upon 8, and this will be 1 upon 8. So as you can see that over here the denominator is same, and if the denominator is same, you know that the greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Therefore, if you write it in ascending order, then that will be 1 upon 8 is less than 3 upon 8 is less than 4 upon 8 is less than 6 upon 8. And for descending order, you can just reverse the order. Question B says that again we have some shaded regions, so I'll just write it down. So this will be 6 and 2, 8 upon 9. This will be 1 2 3 4 upon 9. This will be 3 upon 9, and this will be 6 upon 9. Here also the same formula will apply, and the ascending order can be written as easily as possible, and that will be 3 upon 9 is less than 4 upon 9, which is less than 6 upon 9, which is less than 8 upon 9. For descending order, you just need to reverse the order. Coming to question number 1, part C. Show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6, 6 by 6 on number line. Put appropriate signs between the fractions given. So I'll just write the denominations for the number line, and that will be minus 1 upon 6. Then it will be 0, or you can write 0 upon 6. Then it will be 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, and any others, 8 upon 6. Okay, 7 upon 6, not 8, 6, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6. Any other? No. So I will complete at 9 upon 6, make an arrow and make an arrow. After that, I will denote 2 by 6, I will denote 4 by 6, I will denote 6 by 6, I will denote 8 by 6 on the number line. Coming to question number 2. Compare the fractions and put the appropriate sign. So we have been given certain fractions, and we need to put some signs over here, and that will be, I think that one question is pending for us, or am I just imagining? Yeah. So we had a question that we have to write the signs also for that, and that will be possible by, you see that all the denominators are same, even though it is a easy question, but still we should solve. So denominators are same, and therefore the greater the numerator, the greater the fraction. Therefore 5 by 6 will be greater than 2 by 6, 3 by 6 greater than 0 by 6, 1 by 6 less than 6 by 6, and 8 by 6 greater than 5 by 6. Now coming to question number 2. Question number 2 says again that we have been given certain fractions, and we need to write the comparison signs between them. So you can see that they are mixture of different types of scenarios. So first is denominator same, therefore greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Second is numerator same. and that means that lesser the denominator, greater the fraction. Now is the denominator is same. So again numerator bigger, bigger the fraction. And now is numerator is same, and that will mean lesser the denominator, greater the fraction. So this is as simple as that. Question number 3. Make 5 more such pairs and put appropriate signs. So this is a question for you as a DIY, so that you can attempt it on your own. You just need to make 5 more pairs, like you can write any number in random: 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 7 upon 9, 7 upon 11, etc. And you just need to fill the signs as per the previous rules explained. That is, if numerator same, denominator same, or both are different. Question number 4. Look at the figures and write the comparison signs between the given pair of fractions. Here numerator is same, so lesser the denominator, greater the fraction. Here both are different, so we'll use the LCM method. LCM method will give us the LCM of 12, and that will make this 4 into 3 12, so 3 into 3 9 upon 12, and this will become 6 into 2 12, so 2 2s are 4 upon 12, and this will make back to the first rule, that is greater the numerator, greater the fraction. So therefore the sign will be this one, greater than. 2 upon 3, 2 upon 4, again 2 upon 3, the denominator is smaller, so greater the fraction. Over here we see that 6 upon 6 and 3 upon 3 are there, so both the numerator and denominator are different. But you need to understand that we have learned a topic of equivalent fractions, or simplest form of fractions. So before comparing, also I told you when we were discussing the topic of comparing numbers, comparing fractions, that we have to make sure that the fractions are in its smallest, in its simplest form. Whenever you try to do any operation, always try to make sure that it is in its simplest form, unless and until it is required to be in its non-simplest form. So 6 upon 6, this will make 1 upon 1, and this will also make 1 upon 1, therefore this will be equal to each other. 5 and 5 numerator same, so smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. Coming to the next question, that is question number 5, and that is how quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate signs. So just start a stopwatch or a timer, and then we'll attempt this question. So I hope that you have started it, and you should do this when you are doing it on your own. I'll just make you understand by answering all the questions, and we'll go sequentially. So first, numerator same, that is smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. Second, both are different, so LCM, that will make this 4 into 3 12, so this will become as 2 into 3 6, and this is 6 into 2 12, and 3 into 2 6, therefore this will be equal. So 5 and 3 different, 3 and 2 different, again 5 3s are 15, so this will be 9, and 3 5s are 15, so 2 5s are 10, and therefore this will have this sign, less than sign. 3 upon 4, 2 upon 8, so this 4 will and 8 have a LCM of 8, not 16 but 8, so 4 into 2 will be 8, and 3 into 2 will be 6. Therefore rule number 1, greater the numerator, greater the fraction. 3 upon 5, 6 upon 5, same denominator, will have this sign, less than sign. 7 upon 9, 3 upon 9 will have greater than sign. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 8 are equivalent fractions, therefore equal sign, because 2 upon 8 in its simplest form is 1 upon 4, or 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 for both numerators and denominators will give you 2 upon 8. 6 upon 10, 4 upon 5, so LCM 5 will become 10, 4 into 2 8, so greater the numerator, greater the fraction. 3 upon 4 and 7 upon 8, so this will become 3 to 6, less than sign. 6 upon 10, 3 upon 5, so 5 2s are 10, 3 to 6, equal to sign. 7 3s are 21, 5 3s are 15, and this will be equal to sign. So procedure has been discussed already, and you just need to remember the procedure, and we can continue accordingly. Everything is okay. I hope that it is not hanging. Now coming to question number 6. The following fractions represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fractions. So we have to find equivalent fractions or simplest form by changing one of its to its simplest form. So we'll attempt it. I will give you a 10-second pause so that you can understand the question, look at all the fractions, and then we'll start. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. 2 upon 12 can be written as 1 upon 6. 3 upon 15 can be written as 1 upon 5. 8 upon 50 can be written as 2 4 बार 2 से 25 बार, तो it can be written as 4 upon 25 equal to sign. 16 upon 100 can be written as 4 to 25 25, so 4 4 is a 16 and that will be 25. 4 is the common. 10 upon 60 divided by 10 and 10 1 upon 6. 15 upon 75 divided by 15, that will give you 1 upon 5. Then we have 4 upon 25, that will give us 1 upon, no, this is the simplest form, 4 upon 25. 3 upon 18, this will give 1 upon 6. 12 upon 72, this will give 12 5s are 60, 6 are 72. 1275, this will give 3 4 are 12 and 3 2s are 6 plus 1 25, and 16 upon 96 will give 4 or 8. Yeah, 8 will be much better. 8 2s are 16 and this will be 1s are 8 and 1 6 two times. So 1 6 1 6 two times, 1s are 8, that will be 12. So 1 upon 6. So I'll directly write 1 upon 6. That will be 1 upon 6. 12 upon 60 will give you 1 upon 5. So we have to choose all the 1 upon 6. There are three groups. So first group will be 1 upon 6. For that we will have A, then we will have E, then we will have H, then we will have J, then we will have K, and that's final. Coming to group 2, that will be 1 upon 5, and that will have B, and then that will have F, then G, then none. Now coming to group number 3, that is 4 upon 25. So 4 upon 25 likh lo is equal to, then we will have C, then we will have D, then we will have I, then we will have L. So this will sum up the answer of question number 6. We have categorized into three of them: 1 upon 6, 1 upon 5, and 4 upon 25. In case there is some error from my side, a human error, that is, I have misplaced one or the other over any other place, so kindly check it. But as far as I can check, it is okay. So, you know what, we should just check. So, I'll just go to the exercise 7.4, I think. So this will be 6, question number 1 upon 6, 1 upon 5 on reducing, 2 upon 10, 2 upon 12, 10 upon 60. Okay, it will be okay. I do not have time to compare the answers. You can compare it on your own. Okay, coming to question number 7. Find answers to the following. Write and indicate how you solved it. We have to tell the procedure as to how we solved it. Is 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5 equal to 4 upon 5? A is 9 upon 16 equal to? So the answer is that you just need to find the simplest form of either of them, or you need to find if it can be taken, one fraction can be made the other fraction by multiplying with any particular common multiple. So that is the only thing which you have to do. 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5, are they equal to each other? No, they are not equal to each other, because both of them are in their simplest form and they are not equivalent fractions. 9 upon 16 and 5 upon 9. So 9 upon 16, can this be reduced? 5 upon 9, can this be reduced? No, this is also in its simplest form. 4 upon 5 and 16 upon 20. So yes, this can be reduced, 4 upon 5, and yes, this will be equal and these are equivalent fractions. 1 upon 5 and 4 upon 30. Can this be reduced? So 2 and 15. No, these are not equal and these are not equivalent fractions. Coming to question number 8. Ila read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 upon 5 of the same book. Who read less? So you just need to compare both of them. So I will write down Ela and I will write down 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. That is, the book is divided into 100 pages. One page is one part and 25 pages 25 part. So Ela has 25 upon 100 and Lalita has 2 upon 5 of the same book. So you just need to make the simplest form and to check if they are equivalent or not. So 25 will give 1 and this will 4 and 1 upon 4 is not equal to 2 upon 5. Therefore, who read less? That is the question. So, okay, who read less? That is the question. तो ये तो हमें करना नहीं था, तो गलत आ गए. कुछ नहीं, बस इसको डिलीट करेंगे, इसको डिलीट करेंगे, इसको डिलीट करेंगे. 2 upon 5 है ना, 5 को 100 बनाने का. कैसे बनेगा? 20 into 20 and this will be into 20. So 5 into 20 will become 100 and 2 into 20 will become 40. 40 upon 100. So obviously when denominators are same, you just need to compare the numerators. Greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Therefore, Lalita has read more than Ela. So who read less? The answer will be Ela. Coming to the next question. Question number 9. Rafiq exercised for 3 upon 6 of an hour while Rohit exercised for 3 upon 4 of an hour. Who exercised for longer time? All these questions are somewhat related to equivalent fractions or simplest form of fractions like fractions etc. तो 3 upon 6 तो हम लोग आर ए ले लेंगे, इसको ले लेंगे 3 upon 6 और आर ओ ले लेंगे, इसको ले लेंगे हम लोग 3 upon 4. So just by visualization, just by the second rule, you can just know that numerator is same. Therefore, the smaller the denominator, the greater is the fraction. So who exercised for longer? The answer will be Rohit. In a class A, question number 10, in a class A of 25 students, 20 passed with 60% or more marks. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed with 60 marks or more marks. In which class was greater fraction of students getting 60% or more marks? So we have been given two different informations for a particular category or particular scenario, that is 60% passed with 60% or more marks. So in class A, you see that 20 out of 25 passed with 60 or more. In class B, they passed 24 out of 30 with 60 or more marks. So question is, which was a greater fraction of students getting 60% or more marks? So you just need to take the LCM and compare. So 25 and 30, can they have a LCM? Yes, they can. You just need to make the LCM table and everything will come into place on its own. The first is 2, 25 and this is 15. Then you have 3 and that will be 25 and 5, then 5, 5, 1 and then 5, 1. So the multiple is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So for 25 you need to multiply it with 3 into 2, that is 6, and for 30 that is 5 into 5 3 is 15 into 2, that is 30. We need to multiply it by 5. So this will be multiplied by 5. So 26 will become 120 upon 5 5s are 25 and 25 2s are 50, 53s are 150. Okay, and 24 will be multiplied by 5 times. So this will also become 120 upon 150. Therefore, both of them are equal. So which passed with greater fraction of students? None of them. All of them passed with equal fraction of students. So 24 into 5 is also 120 and 25 into 6 is also 120. 20 into 6 is also 120. Therefore, they are equivalent. Oh, they are equivalent. Okay. So coming to the next question, just let me check the answer for this one as it can be checked very easily. Yes. That is also correct. Question number 11. Addition and subtraction of fractions. So congratulations, we have completed another exercise, and I hope that all the questions and concepts and methods of teaching are clear and okay with you. So if you find our videos useful, do subscribe and like our videos, and if you have any suggestions, you can just comment in the comment section and we'll get back to you. And if possible, do share it with your friends. So till the next time we meet, I bid you farewell. Goodbye.